Hi, hello, welcome to yet another episode of Fun Buzzers. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, me and Jay here going to a resort called Lemongrass Hills. So it's located at a place called Karimgunnam, which is near to Todupuzha. It's around 60 kilometers approximately from Kakinada. So we have just started our journey. So we can have the rest updates from there. The way that we are going through is little into a foresty area, so wherein we can see a lot of rubber estates actually here and there. We have arrived the destination. The road from the main road around 300 meters is a very bad road. If you have that much experience in driving, then only they even suggest you to climb it. So it's a very steep road. So please be cautious while driving. So yes, we have finally arrived the destination. The risk that we took was for this beautiful view. These are the kind of rooms they have. So it's like an igloo actually. So this is our room. So let me enter to the room. This is the view from the top, from the room. No, this is the way, Jay. Jay lost the way. This is really very beautiful. Actually, it's very different from the other resorts and all where you go. This completely it looks like an igloo. It's a pretty new resort. It's under construction. So like they have not yet actually started the pool. They have the pool facility over there. Okay, this is our little restaurant. So we're just proceeding ahead to the restaurant wherein I guess tonight it's only us because other bookings are cancelled. Say Jai hi. Hi. Okay, so we have already ordered our food. Chapati and chicken curry, so we're just waiting for that. Morning guys, the time is morning 6:35 and this is the view that you wake up to. So the breakfast here is complimentary. So this is our breakfast for the day. Here we come to an end of our beautiful trip today. So it's really an amazing place. You must go and visit it. The only thing is it's very peaceful, very silent. For the people who just need to relax, please come over here. There are few places to visit also. Around 28 kilometers there is a place called Ilavilna Punjira, and around like some more kilometers ahead is Illikal. So if you guys wanna visit there, you can go. So but this is a place just to relax. So no other fun activities, nothing, but relax. So until we meet the next time, it's bye bye from me and Jay.